Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are job opportunities available for a customer relation executives and also for purchases assistant positions. It is from a professionally managed industrial organization located at Hebbal industrial area. So they require the candidates for the following job vacancies. First one, for customer relation executives, must be a graduate and minimum 5 years of experience is required in a relevant field in a manufacturing organization. And coming to purchases assistants, BCom and or MCom candidates are required with experience in handling purchase and accounts. So tally knowledge is must for this job vacancies. Interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hrbachem689@gmail.com. Next, there are openings available from a grassroots research and advocacy movement. So they are looking for manager operations and also for operations associate positions. Firstly, for manager operations positions, desired qualifications will be postgraduate in finance or commerce or financial management, and also 10 to 12 years of experience is required in overseeing end-to-end finance, so and as well as administration. So these are the experience details and also qualification details for this position. So you need to handle day-to-day operations, finance and HR support to management. So these are the job responsibilities. You please check with the details. And coming to second one, operations associate position, desired qualifications will be commerce or any finance graduates with 2 to 4 years of experience is required in accounting and coordinating operations with strong knowledge in tally, Excel and also good writing skills are preferred. So these are the education qualification details. So coming to responsibilities, the candidate with a strong exposure to accounting and day-to-day administration. So interested candidates, you can check with the details provided here. So you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is profiles at adwitiya consulting.in. So this is the mail ID. You can send your resume to the provided mail ID. So if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given phone number provided here, that is 7411253728. So you can send your resume on or before 2nd April 2021. Next, there are vacancies available for sales officers. So they require young and energetic candidates between the age group 21 and 30 for the sales and also marketing department for a real estate company at Mysore. So for these job openings, qualification will be MBA marketing or BBM or any equivalent degree. So these are the education qualification details, and also 1 to 4 years of experience is required in selling plots or apartments. Having excellent communication skills with the fluency in Kannada and English is preferred. So they are going to provide attractive salary with the extra incentives, and also vehicle facilities also available. So interested candidates, if you have any queries or you are interested to apply for this position, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 7259351538. Next, there are vacancies available from CSIR, Central Food Technological Research Institute. It is located at Mysore. So they have vacancies for project positions. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for training coordinators on temporary basis under PMFME program. So two vacancies are available for this position. project positions. So interested candidates, for more detailed information and for application process and other details, you can visit in the website link provided here, that is www.cftri.res.in. So there is a job opportunity for tutor. So they need home tutor for a civil engineering student at Siddhartha layout. So this is the very good opportunity who are looking for this opportunity. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number immediately, that is 7483983826. So the classes will be between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Next, there is a job vacancy for authentic Andhra style chef for a well-known restaurant. So they are going to provide attractive salary for the candidate. So interested candidate, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 9880924832. Next, there are vacancies for skilled hairstylist and also beautician with minimum 2 years of experience is required. It is for only female candidates. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 0966338536. At last, there is an announcement for the second PUC students. It is from Drishti Set CET or NEET Academy, Mysuru, in association with Ramakrishna Vidya Kendra, RKVK PU College, Mysuru, and along with their academic partners, Sri Pranamya Educational and Charitable Trust, Mysuru. So they are conducting crash course for the second PUC students regarding CET or NEET exam 2021 from 17th June 2021 to 8th July 2021 every day 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So it is holding at the location. So address details are provided here. So they are also conducting inaugural session. It is holding on 4th April 2021 Sunday from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. followed by physics and chemistry subjects. They are going to teach regarding CET or NEET classes till 5 p.m. and also along with assessment and feedback at the end of the day. So experienced and expert resource persons will handle these sessions. So interested candidates, second PUC science students, you can register with your name by calling the numbers below numbers or else through filling the Google form provided here, and fee will be 3000 rupees per subject. For more detailed information, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. 3 contact numbers are provided here, and separate hostel facilities are also available for boys and girls. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.